Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how we can color the current record in our form. So I've opened all customer form, I simply go to accounts receivable and I go to all customers form. So currently if you see, if I navigate from this account to this account, I am getting this light blue color. So instead of this, let's say if you want to have our own custom color while the user is moving from one record to other, so how we are going to deal with this issue, or how we could write the code. So for that one, what I will do, since I need to do modification in my form, so the first thing is that I need to know my form name. So the simple, uh, you know, simply like I could simply go here and right click here. Yeah, so if you see here, this is my menu item name and this is my form name. So currently we go to this here, so I need to fetch my CustTable form. You see here, right? This is my form name. So let me go to my CustTable form. So I'll create a code extension of this form. So simply click here, create code extension. So we're creating a COC of this form as well. So it will take some time depending upon the performance of to use my this CustTable, and here I will simply use, let me explain this data source node here, and I will try to use this one here, CustTable, and once I go to events here, on activated. So I will use my form data source on activated event. So let me paste it here. Okay, this is available here now. I will simply remove these braces. So the first thing is that we need to, yeah, so the first thing that I was saying, that we need a form run here. So I will simply write here form run, and form run equals to. So since we are getting our data source object right from sender, so from this we could easily get our form run. Form run here. Let me close this. And now I will, create another method here. Let me say the name is as public void add colors. And inside this method, so if I will simply write here, so since if you see here, I need color into my this particular account field. Okay, so the account field will be coming through this CustTable count num dot color scheme, and then here I will write form color scheme. I will choose this one as RBG type, and then again I will choose my CustTable account and here I will actually tell which color we need to use. So I will say background color, and here I will use WinAPI class, and we have a function called RGB2int. Here I will define my color code. So since I'm interested to get the green color, so I will write here 20255. You could search over internet what is the color code for this, and this one. Now once my record will be activated, I need to simply call this method. So I could use simply form run. One thing I have missed here is this add colors. So here I will simply say form run dot add colors method. So this will call this. And now here one more thing is that, first of all, we will also check whether this form as method, we'll use this one. Here we need to define our form run. So we already have a form run buffer in line number 8. And here we need to get our method name. That is, for that we'll write method str function. So we'll type our class name here. So that is nothing CustTable Sagar extension, this one. And then we need to define our method. So you see this is already coming. So we close this one, and here if this method will exist here, so we'll call out this one. To close this one here, save 3 places here, and let me give an indentation here. So that's it. So we'll do a build. Yeah guys, so the build is completed, and now if I open here, so let's see if I go to this particular form, if I go to, sorry, this particular record, so this will show green color into my data record. So if in case you also want to add colors to different fields as well, so you could take buffer of those fields as well. So let me just reiterate what we have done here. So we have simply used a form data source activated event handler, and here we simply take form run, then we checked whether this particular method exists. If yes, so we are simply calling this method, and here we are adding color scheme. Here we defined our color scheme, that is RBG, and here at the end we added the background color, that is this is the green color code here. So thank you for watching the video.